Hello dosto, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn about one of the most fundamental concept in Java, that is variable. We will see what are the variables, how many types are there, and how do we use them in real programming. So, a variable is like a box or container that holds data during the execution of program. Then we will see types of variable. Here we can see there are mainly three types of variable, that is local variable, instance variable, static variable. Static variable is also called class variable. There is one more variable, types of variable, that is reference variable. We have seen that variable in our previous video. If you haven't watched that video, link is in description. Please go and watch. Here we will see what is local variable. So local variable is declared inside a method or constructor. Local variable is accessible only within the block it is created, and it must be initialized before we use it. So let's jump on the Eclipse to understand the local variable. Here we have the main method. So as we discussed, local variable is created inside the method. Here I am declaring a local variable, that is age. So here age is the name of variable and int is data type. We will learn more about data type in our upcoming video. So I have declared a local variable but not initialized yet. Now I am trying to use this local variable. Here we can see that we are getting error. Here compiler is telling us that variable is not initialized. It means for using the local variable, the variable must be initialized. So let's initialize the variable. We have initialized the age variable with 25. Now we can see that error is gone. Next is instance variable. Instance variable declared inside a class but outside the method. For accessing the instance variable, we need object of the class in which instance variable is created. Each object gets its own copy. It means number of times we create the object, same number of times copy of that instance variable will be created inside the memory for the created object. Default value assigned by the JVM. For understanding this line, let's move on the Eclipse. Here we have created instance variable with value 20 and we have created the object. So we are accessing the instance variable using this object. Let's run this application as a Java application. We can see the value 20 is getting printed in console. Now what we can do, we just remove the value we have not initialized yet. Now we are trying to run our application. So here we can see the value 0 is getting printed inside the console. So here 0 is default value for this data type. We will learn more about default values in our next video. Next is a static variable. A static variable declared using a static keyword, shared among all objects, memory allocated only once. It means this variable is class variables. We do not need to create object for accessing the static variable. We can directly access the static variable using class name. Let's say if class name is A and we have declared variable B inside the class A. So for accessing the static variable, just we will write class name A dot variable name B, and we will be able to access the variable. Today we have learned variables in Java. In next video we will learn about various kind of data type in Java. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.